Hey there digital friends, welcome back to a new video, and in this video you're going to see how to get this tap gesture which is available in the iOS on any Android. So to get this gesture, just install the tap app from the link in the description below. After installing, give the necessary accessibility permissions and turn off the battery optimization for this app. Now click on the gesture and you can see the sensitivity. Adjust according to your device and select the device model which suits your device. Click on the actions and now you can choose which action to be performed when you tap on your phone. Let us keep this action when the display is on, and let's choose another action, for example the flash when the screen is off. So if you tap on the phone when the screen is on, we get the assistant, and when the screen is off we get the flashlight. Now when we click on gates, we can choose when should these gestures work so that we cannot face any kind of issues. To know more about this app, click on Xtria Red and it takes to the Xtria website where you can see more about this app and regarding the details of these developers also. So from this website you can download the latest version of this app. Now let us see how it works. Tap when screen is on. Tap when screen is off. That's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching and subscribe.